Welcome back, another week here at Mob Auto Boutique. First things first, to get started, this thing got dropped off this morning. It's a brand new 2024 Toyota Tundra. We just swapped out these 35, we put 35s on here, Toyota Open Country AT, I think AT3s. It's getting a level tomorrow morning. Got the front windows tinted, and that thing will be good to go. We got the F-250 still here, getting the color match done. Should be good to go this week. We did a 2024 Yukon Denali. This one got an AFE cold air intake. We previously did the full blackout, 24-inch wheels, custom painted calipers. We also installed the light up GMC emblem on this thing. Looks pretty cool, especially at night. Next to it is a beast of a truck. We did this a few weeks back. Came in for a retorque and then of course get it cleaned up. It's got Vossen HF6-4 22x12s and 35-inch Nitto ridge grapplers. And then of course the AFE leveling kit on here. If you look at it, the concave on here is insane. They call it the ultra deep concave series, and it's ultra deep for damn sure. So let's go check inside the shop, see what else we got going on. All right, inside the shop, we got that black Yukon that was here last week. Yeah, it's getting wrapped satin dark gray. If you can't see it already, we got most of it pretty much done already. We got to do the chrome delete, the calipers, and the exhaust tips left. Out there, my truck's getting cleaned up. Finally, it gets dirty really quick with the 12 wides on there. So whenever you do think about getting wheels, think about this. Anytime you're running through some water, if you got some wide wheels, wide tires, it's gonna kick up a lot of dirt. And you're gonna have to wash your vehicle a lot, even if it's ceramic coated. The 2500 is all stripped apart pretty much, getting the rear bumper taken off now, getting ready for a wrap on that one. It's going up in the air to get the lift done. Wheels and tires for that truck are already here, ready to go. 22-inch, 22x10 gear off-roads on some 37 1350 radar ATs. Good looking combo. It is a very aggressive setup. We will have to do some trimming, some minor trimming on these since it is only a 10 wide. If it were 12 wides, forget about it. Tuesday update, we got a brand new GMC Denali in, GMC 1500 Denali. This is the 6.2 Carbon Pro. All this one's getting today is a leveling kit. Maybe we'll talk about doing some wheels and tires soon. And speaking of wheels and tires, that fuel deal that's going on right now, insane. So it's a set of fuel Rebels, fuel Contras, or what is the third one? Clashes? Yeah. The fuel Clashes, 20x10, and pretty much any lug pattern, and a set of 35 1250 20s for 2,500 bucks. Insane deal. Any finish is included. The Patagonia Milestars, the XTs, they are the Nitto Ridge Grappler and Toyo Open Country RT competitor. If you look at the tread pattern, it's a very packed in tread pattern, so you shouldn't have any road noise. Very comfortable ride, and it's still pretty decent off-road. Moving on though, so this one, like I said, getting a leveling kit. The Tundra from yesterday got the leveling kit. It's out getting alignment right now. When it comes back, we'll record some video on that one. The GMC 2500 is up on the lift, getting ready for the 7-inch lift that's going on it. It's also taken apart, ready for wrap as well as soon as the wheels and tires are mounted. And wheels and tires, like we showed yesterday, they're massive. Progress on the GMC Yukon Denali. It is almost done being wrapped. They're knocking out the front bumper right now, and then I think all we have left is the chrome delete, rear trunk, and the top of the quarter panels. We got to do a high temp paint on the exhausts and the brakes, and then I think this one will be pretty much good to go. Behind you is an Infiniti QX80 we had wrapped a few months ago. Unfortunately, someone tried stealing one of their wheels, and the customer drove off, and one of the wheels fell off and damaged some of the inner bumper works, so they had to get that fixed. Damaged some of the fender as well, so had to get that fixed. So we're rewrapping that quarter panel over there, and then I think that's it for right now. Yeah, so we'll come back with some more updates and then some more footage of that Tundra that got the 35 1150 Toyo Open Country AT3s and the leveling kit. All right, so still on Tuesday, we got a lot more stuff to do. We have this brand new GMC Elevation getting the Weston brush guard, also known as like a ranch hand style bumper. It's just to protect the front end. If you use it for cattle guard, like as a cattle guard, most definitely really good. Other people like the style of them, but we also just did a bed liner on here, some exhaust work. We did a single exit Flowmaster, or single exit dual tip Flowmaster, and then we're also doing some side steps on this vehicle. Wheels, we got those fuels mounted up. We got 3 sets, so this is good for a lifted Chevy, GMC, Ram, Tundra. These will work on either any of those vehicles. These are 20x10s and 35s. We also have a set that's great for a leveled GMC or Chevy or Tundra. These are 34-inch Netto Recon grapplers on 20x9 fuel Rebels. I think it's a really good setup, especially for a simple, clean, just OEM plus kind of look, not trying to go too crazy with the big lift. But yeah, we have all those. We have that one on special right now as well. So $2,900, that one gets you wheels, tires, GM or Chevy 1500, 19 and above, leveled, installed, everything. All right, Wednesday update for you guys. We got a bunch going on today. We had my buddy Akib come in. We've done a bunch of work for him in the past. He got a new front lip on his car. So this is a Brabus style RW carbon front lip. And then we also replaced his rear spoiler with the new RW carbon rear spoiler. His old one started fading. This one's already PPF, so it's good to go. Should last him quite a bit longer than his old one. This car is pretty nasty though. It's got downpipes, tune, and muffler delete, and it sounds insane. Next to it, we have a brand new 2024 C43 AMG. This one's in for one-step paint correction and ceramic coating. Gonna make that thing look and feel brand new for years to come. For my buddy Sammy, getting that taken care of. We also got a brand new BMW X6 M60 in. This one's a factory matte finish. This one's getting a full front end PPF. Get this protected, because if anyone knows the factory finishes on these cars, if you do get a rock chip in it, it is very, very, very difficult to paint match it. They're frozen color series, I believe they call it. It's unlike any other, but when we put the matte PPF on here, it doesn't change the finish of it. It just protects it. And it comes with a 10-year warranty on it too, so that's always nice. What else do we have in the shop? We have that truck that we're doing the brush guard on. That one's getting wrapped up right now. So as soon as we finish that one up, we'll show you some pictures. But that one got exhaust, side steps, bed liner, and brush guard. And just letting you guys know, if y'all have a GMC 1500 new body style and you want to get a brush guard on here, expect it to be quite a bit of install time, because they're not easy. All right, so update still for towards the end of the day today. Was it Wednesday? We got a Bronco Sport in, getting a lift, wheels, tires, blacking out the top half. The white is done, taking off all the white decals, going all black, getting it more modernized, I should say. You know how we like to do blackout vehicles, obviously. This one's a little dirty, but this Bronco Sport is in, getting a bunch of stuff done. So we'll see some updates on that. That one has to be done by Friday. We got the 2500 lift going on, so you hear some loud noises in the background. That's Mo trying to install that thing. X6 M60 PPF is going on. Let's go check George's progress on it, see how he's doing today. So fender's already done. Fender flare's already done, George?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Yep. Hood is done. He's working on bumpers. We're gonna do mirror caps, headlights, and the gloss black trimming after that. C43 paint correction is going down. Looking a lot better. I think he's got like this half of the vehicle left to do. Victor's back there just practicing his technique, which we like to do. Practice, practice, practice. When your parents say practice makes perfect, it's true. But yeah, I mean, I think for today, that's gonna end it. All right, so the BMW X6 M60 project is complete. This one got some matte PPF on it, and I just want you to see how good the matte PPF matches up. see if you can tell what areas have matte PPF, what areas do not. You can't tell, can you? So the full front end of this vehicle got the matte PPF, meaning the fenders, hood, fender flares, the front bumper, the grille, the whole black, gloss black area, the mirror caps, headlights, all got done with Suntex Ultra PPF. Comes with a 10-year warranty, and it's no yellowing, no cracking, no fading, but it is a badass looking car, especially in the factory frozen paint. But yeah, if you ever wonder, hey, can I do matte PPF on just certain areas of the car, or does it have to be the full vehicle? You can see for yourself and see that it doesn't really change the finish at all. All right, so we're obviously not at the shop right now. We're heading over to a client's house to do a very special project. The client has a Huracan STO in like a matte bronze color, really badass color, and we're installing some side graphics on it. Kind of like the Performantes have the Italian flags on the side. This STO owner wants to do the same on his. So heading down there right now. We'll update you as soon as we get there and show some content on it. So we're here at the client's house. We're installing his new Italian flag graphics on the side of his STO. Chris is here, just trying to push out some bubbles. But if you look at it, it lines up with the bottom of the door. There's a body line that it flows with. STOs don't usually have this just because they have more aggressive side skirts, so it doesn't really flow all the way through. But I think with this setup, it looks really, really good. Gives it a little bit more accent. Customer already has red accents all along the bottom of his bumpers, his side skirts, and his rear bumper, as well as his wing end caps and his roof scoop. So we'll see how it looks as soon as we finish it up, and we'll show you how it goes. Are you done? Are you on? Yeah. Good? Testing?